Hey everyone, I'm Deputy Brandy Lazare, your friendly DARE officer with the Roanoke Sheriff's Office. And guess what? I have someone super cool joining us today. Drum roll please. It's my awesome pal Ivy.
Hi everyone, I'm Ivy. I'm here to bring you lots of fun and important safety tips.
That's right, friends. Today we're diving into car safety, especially for our little crew. You know the deal, peeps. When we hit the road, it's safety first, because buckling up is our golden rule. We all look out for one another.
Excuse me, Deputy Lazare. We can't go yet. Tony hasn't had a chance to get buckled in.
You got it, Ivy. Let's make sure Tony gets that seatbelt secured for a smooth ride.
Safety starts with you. Buckle up, too.
Solid teamwork, guys. Buckling up keeps us all riding in style and safely, just like Tony and Ivy showed us.
And remember, it's the law in Virginia to use proper car seats for young ones like Tony and me. Remember, safety starts with you. Buckle up, too.